What's going on, everyone? Shadizzo here, and this is another episode of What Have I Been Printing, episode number 7. Stay tuned, I got some cool stuff to show you guys. Welcome back, everyone. This is episode number 7. What have I been printing? I made some pretty cool stuff this time. It's been about a week or so since I made one of these videos, so this is what I've been printing on my Anycubic i3 Mega. So I'm going to start off. I know I'm a little bit late to the party on some of these things, but they are still pretty cool. First thing I printed is this little device. This is just a little holder. You open it up. Printed out in Soltech orange. Very happy with this. Very cool print. What you do is you print it out in all one piece. You cut the bottom, you break the sides. They have little supports on them, and then all of a sudden you can open and close. Very happy with this. I think I'm gonna make a bigger one. Besides from that, the next thing I printed, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I printed this Batman. I have painted this. So this Batman, about shoulder length down, he's black, but I ran out of black, and then from shoulder up I just used red, and it came out pretty cool. So I sanded him down a little bit and gave him a gray base coat, and then have this like bolt gun metal spray paint it, and then I painted the little bat symbol gold, and very happy with this. It's very subtle, and it's actually going to go on my bookshelf right over here with my other Batman collectibles on there. But very happy with this. Came out awesome. Very fun print to do. Did make one mistake. I didn't add a support for the chin. So it kind of got a little hairy like I am here. So all I did was take clippers, clip it, sand it, then put wood filler on there, shape it to his jaw, then sand it, and then spray paint it from there. The next thing I'm going to go over, this is very popular. I'm sure if you have a 3D printer, you made one of these. I made it for my little niece. She is 5. And I think she would really like this. I made it in the ZYL Tech purple. I love this purple. Very fun. I'm sure if you're part of the 3D community, if not, all you do is print on one piece and pull off your printer, and it becomes flexible. So she's going to get it this weekend, and I think she's going to like it. If not, my wife likes one and will like one for herself. So that got added on there. Now, of course, I have a nephew, and I can't make one thing for my niece and something not for my nephew. And just like any almost 8-year-olds, they love dinosaurs. This thing is so awesome that I'm so tempted to keep it, but I'm going to print me out one of these. This I got off Thingiverse on here. Printed out the skull itself. It's 2 prints, the bottom half and the top half. Very cool, easy to print. No supports needed. Then you print out the base. No supports needed. Very happy with this. I kind of want to put it in like a box and put like clay around it, stuff like that, because his birthday's coming up on this, and I think this would be a cool birthday present. So a couple years ago, I got him like this toy. It's like a toy egg, and he had little paintbrushes, a little hammer, and basically he kind of had to like get the parts out of the earth. So this is much bigger scale. I'm thinking about doing this. I've never done that before, so I don't know if I need to use clay or if I just need to do it with mud and let the mud harden. If you are a little bit more creative than I am and have done something like this, leave a comment below. Let me know if you've done it, or if there's something on Pinterest or whatnot. Just let me know. Help a brother out. I think he's going to be excited if I just give it to him this way, but I think he'd be even more excited if I had it and he had to go through and like imagination run wild on there. So I'm pretty excited. Either way, I think he's gonna love it. If not, I love it. I'm going to make me one, or if he doesn't love it, I will keep this one. Same thing with the little butterfly. Now let's move to the last but not least item that I printed this week. Very excited about this print for two reasons. One, everywhere I turn, there's Infinity War commercials for Marvel. I hope it's going to be good. I think it's going to be good. I'm pretty excited about that. And then also, one of my long-term friends I've known for about 25 years of my life, it's part of his Nerd Cave setup. Well, let me just show you. Made this bus Hulk on here. So this is Hulk model after the last Thor movie, Ragnarok, where he's in like his little armor on here. Came with this. This is a cool little bus. So I was looking for like a full-fledged on model. The ones that I found, I really didn't like. They didn't come out very good when I tried to print them or whatnot. Now I found this, and this is so cool because it's small enough where you can have it on your desk, and it's a little showpiece. And it's so cool. So I printed out for my buddy Jeff. He's also a streamer. His name is One Arm Assassin on there. I'll put a link in the description below. He just asked me, he's like, hey, can you print me off a Hulk for my man cave, for my nerd cave? So I printed off of this. So this is going to go in his little work area. He does stream pretty much every night on there. I'll leave his Twitch account on there. So if you guys like to watch video games and follow people, he's a good person to follow. Like I said, I've known him for 25 years of my life. We've been friends ever since then. Good dude. So definitely stop by, drop him a follow, give him a thumbs up. I know that he also has a YouTube account as well. So yeah, make sure you show him some love too. So guys, that's it for me. I am working on other things right there. As you can see on my printer over my shoulder, I have something nice, bright and pink on there. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. Guys, stay tuned for that. So give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Give me well, you guys know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Either way, yeah, it lets me know where it goes. So that's it. Don't forget to hit the subscription on the way out. Down below, I also have my Instagram account. My Instagram is getting pretty big on its own. So definitely, if you want to see things I'm working on throughout the week, definitely follow me on Instagram, and I'll get you guys later. Have a good one.